In today's video, I'm going to teach you joining a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into a Zoom call using either an invite link or a meeting ID and what to expect on your screen along the way. Most Zoom meetings start with an invitation from the host. That invite usually includes a special link and, in many cases, a meeting ID. You might receive it in an email, a calendar event, or a message from your team. Both the link and the ID point to the same meeting, so you can use whichever is most convenient. If you've been sent a link, the simplest path is to click it. Your browser will open and automatically redirect you to Zoom. At this point, you may see a prompt asking to open the Zoom app. If you already have the app installed, confirm, and it will launch you straight toward the meeting. If you don't have the app yet, Zoom will guide you to download it or offer the option to continue from your browser. Along the way, if you're not signed in, Zoom may ask you to log in or create an account. That's completely normal and only takes a moment. If you prefer to use the meeting ID instead, open your Zoom dashboard, the home screen of the Zoom app, or visit the Zoom website and sign in. Click the Join button you see there. A small window will appear where you can enter the meeting ID exactly as it was sent to you. After you type it in, proceed to join. Just like with the link method, Zoom may prompt you to sign in or create an account if you haven't already, and then it will connect you to the meeting. Both methods lead to the same place. Sometimes you'll land in the meeting right away. Other times you'll see a brief message indicating you're in the waiting room. That simply means the host will let you in when they're ready. If you see a quick opening or permissions prompt from your browser or device, such as asking to open Zoom, that's expected. Just allow it so the meeting can start. That's all there is to joining a Zoom meeting. Use the invite link or the join button with the meeting ID, follow the on-screen prompts to log in or create an account if needed, and you're in. For a smoother experience, have your connection ready and keep the invite handy so you can copy the meeting ID if you need it. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to join a Zoom meeting with confidence.